Hey, this is just a quick demonstration of our new order slip customization feature. Here on the store settings page, if you go to the gear icon in the top right corner, go to store settings, and then go to the bag labels and order slips tab, you'll see a new section at the bottom here titled order slips, which shows some options that are now available to you, as well as a little demonstration of what the order slip is going to look like. This is something that prints off on the receipt printer, and it's for individual orders. And oftentimes order slips are used for adding extra little custom notes to a large order with multiple parts, or some laundromats will use these order slips to tape a bit of receipt paper to washers and dryers currently being used for drop-off laundry orders to better help organize the team on what's being laundered in which machines. But now, in addition to the order number and the customer's name, order slips will show PO numbers if they are present. Sometimes those PO numbers are used to label different properties or things like that, if it's an Airbnb type of company. And so that might be relevant information. Also, if the customer has a company name in their profile, that will also show in order slips by default. But what's really new is here on the left, these options where if for privacy reasons you didn't want to show any customer information at all on order slips, you can do that. Or if you wanted to show the pay at pickup status, if it's an unpaid order, you could also display that. Additionally, if you wanted to see the line items and those notes for those items on the order slip, especially useful if you're taping these to washers and dryers, so the team has that information at their fingertips real large. Additionally, if you wanted to show those customer notes or order notes as well, we can display those. For this demonstration, I'll just give you an idea of one way that I recommend using this, especially if you're taping these to washers in your stores, to hide the customer information, but do show the line item notes and the customer and order notes. We'll just save that, and then I'll print off an example one from an order I currently have on an order tracker here. So we'll go to the order tracker page. We'll put in our code here, and then we'll pull up the order. We'll go to labels, and then we'll say print order slip. And remember that you can also type extra little notes here on the order slip as well if you need to, but we'll just print that off. And then here's a demonstration of what that looks like compared to a full-size receipt from the receipt printer. And you can see how this reveals a lot less customer information. And if this order had been paid for, it doesn't show any of the payment details or anything like that.